Big news for Pixel Watch owners. Google has just started rolling out Wear OS 6, and it's bringing some serious visual upgrades to your wrist. But here's the twist, not every Pixel Watch is getting it yet. So let's break down who's getting the update, what's new inside, and how you can install it right now. Alright, so ahead of the Pixel Watch for launch, Google has begun rolling out Wear OS 6, based on Android 16, to the Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel Watch 3, and yes, that includes both the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and LTE models. The update version is BP3, a 25,090,501 for W3, yeah. It's a mouthful, but it's an exciting one. Now, if you're rocking the original Pixel Watch from 2022, you might be wondering, what about me? Well, technically, it should still get Wear OS 6, since Google promised software support until October 2025, but as of now, this rollout is only for Watch 2 and 3. This release comes right after Google's last big update back in June. You may remember, Google switched to quarterly Wear OS updates for its watches, but nothing dropped in September. That's what makes this October rollout even more interesting. If you're impatient and want to grab the update early, here's a little trick. Go to Settings, next click System, then click System Updates, and tap that your watch is up to date screen multiple times. That forces the update check manually. And if it's still not downloading fast enough, disable Bluetooth and switch to Wi-Fi only to speed things up. Now let's talk about what's new with Wear OS 6. Google has completely redesigned the interface with the Material You expressive look. That means your watch now gets dynamic colors that match your watch face theme, from your notifications and quick settings all the way to tiles and apps. It looks smoother, fresher, and more personal. You'll also notice the new lock screen keypad, redesigned quick settings, and updated alarm, stopwatch, and timer apps, all styled to match Google's refreshed icons. After installing the update, make sure to visit the Play Store to grab new updates for Wear Media and Pixel Weather. They're optimized for this new version. One thing to note, though, Wear OS 6 doesn't bring the new watch faces that are exclusive to the upcoming Pixel Watch 4. At least, not yet. And hey, if you love staying up to date with smartwatch OS updates, Android 16 features, and everything happening in the wearable world, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next big update drop. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.